Friends, as a commodity trader, we should know what are the factors those are affecting commodity, so it will be better for us trading, and these factor play a huge role in understanding the fundamentals. Fundamental means demand and supply flow in the commodity, and this includes income, population, cost, and production and technology. The actions on government and producer organization also impact commodity market. So the prices of commodity are affected by some other factors also, which are speculation, interest rate, cut or hike, weather. So we will be looking into those factors. The first factor is income and population. The second is cost and technology, government policy and producer organization. These also impact commodity. Weather, interest rate and US dollar, and the speculation. So these we should look into. So now we will be looking the first factor, and this is income and population. So we know that the economy grows, industrialization happens, urbanization. So these things typically increase the consumption amount of commodities, and these are metals like steel, and energy consumptions also increases. So as economy richer, typically see smaller increase in the commodity demand for corresponding rise in income. And we see that the type of commodity consumed changes as economy become wealthier. People typically consumes more protein, and which increase the demand for livestock and crop which is used to feed them. So friends, we have seen how income and population is affecting the commodity. The second is cost and technology. So here the cost of producing a commodity plays a defining role in determining commodity prices. So in commodity production, this has raw materials, wages, research and development, insurance, increasing fees, taxes, and every other cost incurred in the real world commodity business. So the third is government policy and production organization. Government subsidies commodity prices, and these happens in energy and agriculture, because this helps poorest citizens, they get fuel at cheap price and food also. And the taxes tend to be used in some government to tax consumption, and here they are generally placed on the consumption of energy, and this we say as a fuel. Transport, one other reasons to use to justify tax on fuel on the account of associated environment costs. And here are some groups which do the fuel output cuts to increase their price or to increase their profit margins, and we say it is an organization of countries which is producing fuel. We say as a OPEC, organization of oil exporting countries. So we have seen two factors. The third is weather. So if weather become too hot, too dry, too cold, so this will affect our agriculture sector. So weather can affect the commodities, we know that. hurricanes winds in the US can force offshore oil producer to shut down. Low water level in Indonesia can make it more difficult for nickel miners to ship the metal to market. So we have seen these two things. So here we seen the water or weather impact. The next is interest rate and US dollar. Interest rate and US dollar is also impacting a commodity. Low interest rate may result in business and consumers borrowing money to fund investment and consumption. This definitely indirectly result in increase in the demand for commodity, and some of the commodity traded in US dollars. So change in US interest rate are transmitted through its currency. So either appreciating with the tighter monetary policy or depreciating if it's loosened, and in doing so demand for the commodity is affected. The next is speculation. So commodity are own asset class. So financial innovation has meant that anyone can take a stack in one or more basket in the commodity. So increasing the pension fund and other investment firm have taken stacks in the commodity. So this will give the aim of diversifying returns. And we have seen the algo trading of commodities is also now important for the fund managers or investment fund to get a return. So friends, we have seen the factors. First is income and population, cost and technology, government policies, and how producer organizations are impacting. We know the weather is also impacting, interest rate cuts, hike, US dollar, and speculation. So these are the factors which are affecting the commodity market. So as a commodity trader, in commodity you can be a crude oil trader, natural gas trader, gold trader, or soft commodity trader also. So friends, now I think you are able to understand. So these concern that speculation may moving prices away from levels would justify based on the underlying factor mentioned. So friends, just go through once, so you will have better understanding. Thank you.